Sunset setting in. This is day 2. And we're still working on the garden for Grow What You Eat 2026 and Survival Seeds 2026. There you go. That is my setup for this year. You still got a grow bag full of straw over here. Put to the side. Hopefully that's enough to me to finish up at least more of this. And then the rest I can just touch in with grass from the yard over time. Or maybe I'll buy another straw bale. Those straw bales are only like 10 bucks down the farmer's market / the greenhouse, so it's not too bad. I can just buy another bale, but we'll see how this one wears before I go and buy more straw. And I put the tomatoes in by plant yesterday, and one already got hit by the rabbits and pretty much ate down a little bit. But you guys see that. Those buggers are back at it again. But those are on my tomato plants. We got purple tomatoes, some yellow tomatoes. So we got some Roma tomatoes. And that row right here is going to be your heirloom tomatoes from Survival Seeds 2026. And in the back side is actually tomatillas growing. So we've got some tomatillas in there. We got some heirloom tomatoes right here up front growing. In the planters you got rosemary that I bought. We got basil from Survival Seeds 2026, just scattered throughout. I bought some lavender plants. One of the people in the group said to try lavender by plant versus by seed. I've had really bad trouble growing lavender by seed, so we went by plants. This is all potting soil, much as it looks like topsoil. It's the Walmart brand versus the Sam's Club brand that I bought for up front. That Sam's Club is very, very, like, I don't know what to call it, fluffy. I wish I bought a couple bags of it. But these two are, this is this plastic wine barrel. It is full of tall Utah celery from Survival Seeds 2026. And this one here is loaded with spinach from Survival Seeds 2026. And some green beans my wife picked up, a Living Stones brand. That's all organic. She got those from Woodall King. That's, I think, their brand. This is where it gets crazy. You got habanero peppers. I put 2 packs of 6 in here, or a pack of 7 and a pack of 6. And then you got, starting the back row here, is your jalapenos. So habanero peppers, jalapenos running in here. Then mixed on the back side here is your sweet red bell peppers and your green bell peppers mixed in. There's 1 pack of each. So there's 2 packs of jalapenos, 2 packs of poblanos. Then in this little spot right here is going to be your serrano peppers. Then behind that is actually a 1 row of cabbage going this way. Here's those serrano peppers or shishito peppers from Survival Seeds 2026, and that was in that pack. Go give that video a watch if you haven't seen it yet. There's a very low watch count, but it's just a mail call of me getting the seeds and the pack that it all came in. And they were from a California company. You can pick that up through Survival Seeds 2026 and register, and they will send you a big pack of seeds from Amazon. Get your garden started with. And up here, this is a lot of your squashes. So I got 2 rows of market size cucumbers going. 1 pack is from Survival Seeds 2026. That's your market more 76 cucumbers. And then you get a pack from just Livingstone's Royal King brand going. So then I got a Livingstone's yellow squash going this way. So cucumbers 1 row, cucumbers another row. Then it goes squash this way. And then down from it, you got 2 rows. You got 2 rows of here and here. Of zucchini. One's the Royal King brand, one is from Survival Seeds 2026. And usually put 2 packs of zucchinis in. Usually I put 1 pack in this time of year in the May, and I put another pack in usually July-ish. The same thing with cucumbers. Last year the cucumbers got wiped out. I had 2 packs in here last year. They got wiped out by the rabbits. So in the far back side right there, going this way, is your sweet potatoes. And yeah, Mr. Rabbit already picked off that one right there. I'm shooting this for my new Samsung, so we're gonna go back here and water this.